The Florida apple snail is the largest native freshwater snail in America. She's expecting a brood of babies. But there's one obstacle. Apple snails must lay their eggs out of water, so they'll be out of reach of hungry fish. And that means going up. But climbing to the surface puts her life at risk. Many have already fallen victim. This carnage is the signature of a remarkable and deadly bird of prey. An Everglade snail kite. Each bird can eat more than a dozen snails a day. The curve of the kite's bill perfectly matches the spiral of the shell. A tool evolved for shucking snails. A kite can spot a snail just under the water's surface from 30 feet up. Back to square one. But kites don't hunt after dark. So nightfall gives an opportunity. Before sunrise, she must lay dozens of eggs. Time-lapse photography reveals this wonder of nature. Dawn. Mission accomplished. In a couple of weeks, the eggs are ready to hatch.